Hello, friends. Good morning. I'm so happy you joined me for story time today. I'm Miss Nicole, and we're going to have a lot of fun this morning. We're going to talk about art. Did you know that art is for everyone? It's not just for big people and grown-ups, and it's not just for little ones, but it's for everyone. And my favorite thing about art is that there are no mistakes. When you're doing art, if you think something's a mistake, you can make it into a beautiful masterpiece because it's your artwork. Isn't that exciting? Today, we're going to read a fun story called I Ain't Gonna Paint No More. And do you see the little guy on the cover there? What's in his hand? Is that a paintbrush? Oh my goodness. He looks like he's having a lot of fun, doesn't he? He's making a mess. Oh my goodness. This story is by Karen Beaumont, and we want to give a special thanks to the author, Karen Beaumont, and also to Harcourt Incorporated for letting us use this great story this morning. Now, before we start the story, if you want to keep your hands busy or help tell the story, you can grab a clean paintbrush. If you have a grab and go kit, there's one in there. Or if you have another one around the house, you can use that. I had this one around my house, and it's nice and clean. So when I start painting, I'm not going to get anything on myself because there's nothing on it. Okay, are you guys ready for our awesome story? So I ain't going to paint no more. One day, my mama caught me painting pictures on the floor, the ceiling, and the walls, and the curtains, and the door. And I heard my mama holler like I never did before. Oh, do you think Mama's happy there? Oh, I don't know if she is. Look at that. He made a mess, didn't he? I ain't gonna paint no more. Oh, he's in the bathtub cleaning up. He doesn't look very happy, does he? Oh my goodness. Oh, do you see Mama? She's hiding the paints, isn't she? I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. Who's on the stairs watching Mama hide the paints? Uh-oh. Oh, do you see what's happening there? He's getting them down. Oh no, he must have saw where Mama hid the paints. Well, that's what I say. But there ain't no way that I ain't gonna paint no more. So I take some red and I paint my head. Can you paint your head? Pretend to paint your head. Oh my goodness. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. What the heck? I'm gonna paint my neck. Can you paint your neck? Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Still, I just can't rest till I paint my chest. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Guess there ain't no harm if I paint my arm. Can you paint your arm? Oh my goodness. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. Can you guys say that with me? I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. But I just can't stand not to paint my, what do you think he's gonna paint? My hand. Oh, we gotta paint your hand. Are you ready? Paint your hand. Oh my goodness. Now, I ain't gonna paint no more. Then I see some black. So I paint my back. Oh, can you paint your back? Now, I ain't gonna paint no more. Like an Easter egg, I'm gonna paint my leg. Can you paint your leg? Oh my goodness, I'm trying to paint mine. Now, I ain't gonna paint no more. Still, I can't complete till I ain't complete till I paint my, what does he paint? He paints his feet. Can you paint your feet? Oh my goodness. Now, I ain't gonna paint no more. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. Can you guys say that with me? I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. But I'm such a nut. I'm gonna paint my. What? Uh-oh, who sees that? Uh-oh, is that Mom? I think he might be in trouble. Do you guys? Mom does not look happy there. Oh my goodness. You see that look on her face? You all don't faint, 'cause I ain't gonna paint no more. There ain't no paint, so I ain't gonna paint no more. And where is he at again? He's in the bathtub because he made such a mess because he painted his whole body. Oh my goodness. The end. What was your favorite part of the book? My favorite part of the book was probably, let's see, I liked them all. You know, I liked when he painted his hand because he painted a face on his hand. That's silly, isn't it? All right, so now we read our book and we have an art project to do. So if you guys grabbed the grab and go kit, if you pull it out, there's one in there that goes with today's program. It's this one right here labeled for October 21st. And inside is a blank puzzle and some paint sheets. So what are you going to do with these, I wonder? Well, if you take your blank puzzle, you'll want to put it all together first. And it can be tricky to put together. I had to have my son's help to do it. And you can draw with the crayons your own masterpiece on there. See, this is mine. So once you do that, then you can have lots of fun. You draw on there and then you take your puzzle apart and then you get to put it back together. And that is lots of fun. And also, if you didn't grab a kit, that's okay. You can make your own puzzle at home. Take a blank piece of paper and any crayons or paint that you have, and you draw your masterpiece and your beautiful art on there, and then get a grown-up's help and take scissors and you can cut the pieces out and then you can put them together like a puzzle. That's pretty cool, isn't it? One of the other things that came in the kit are these cool color sheets, or they're paint sheets. So there's dry paint on there, and you take your paintbrush and you dip it in water, and then you just start painting like that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I started one at home and let it dry, so I'll show you. See, we've got the grass is green up there or down there. And then we started the clouds. And then once you do that, you want to make sure you leave it alone so it dries because there is paint on there and you could make a mess. And we don't want to make the mess that this little guy did because I think I might get in trouble if you guys make a mess at home like that. Well, I'm so happy that you guys joined me for story time today. Next Wednesday, we have another story time, and it is our owl story time, and that's going to be a lot of fun too. So thank you for joining us. Bye, guys. Have a good day.